This has got expat in the Philippines. There's a little baby parrot down there near the sundial. Just down near the yucca. I'm trying to keep the phone quiet.
Yeah.
CJ just next behind me.
Yeah.
We're looking at the parrot. Down there, the lady just behind the sundial in the shade. You can just see him, he's green. He was up near here a couple of hours ago. He's just feeding on the grass seeds. I'm trying not to make too much noise. I don't want to scare him away. There's a darker colour little parrot that comes with him. That must be the male and this is the female. Beautiful colour, he's got a little bit of red on his back. Blue and greeny colour with a yellow belly.